since we really started Warrior Poet Society, from the very get-go, we're like, dude, we should take trips.
Yes.
Trips would be epic. All right, folks, we are on our way to meet with the Signature Tour guys.
Yes.
They are organizing a trip that we're going to take as a society, a 12-day excursion to Israel and Jordan. So it's going to be pretty...
Petra, Dead Sea, Israel, Jerusalem. That's part of Israel.
All of it's amazing. What do we have lined up for the trip? This is absolutely for real. Don't worry, I'm not planning the logistics, else it would not go very well. So this crew, the dudes that are organizing the trip, this is all they do, is they organize these really cool, epic trips. So I'm going to go hang out. We got a few special guests. Who's coming with us?
We got General Jerry Boykin. We got Colonel Osdale. We got John Lovell. We got the Warrior Poet team and a few other special
so
guests.
It's going to be amazing. We're just hanging out. So at Petra, I plan on giving a guided tour, and I'll tell you all the cool things about how Mark Wahlberg and just a few Transformers literally saved the planet from the Decepticons.
Oh, that's a good point.
It's a good point.
That's a good point.
Indiana Jones, I mean, I'm ready. I'm just inundated with rich history I'm going to pass on to you guys. So we're going to take 100 people.
100 people.
We got tour buses and resorts and all that stuff that we're staying in. What's the cost on all this? Nick, do you know the costs?
Got the cost is right at just under $5,000 for $4,895 with a $500 down deposit.
And that's flight included and stuff?
That's everything included except for lunch. We'll be
Lunch is on you.
lunch.
You bunch of cheapskates.
Yeah,
Lunch is on you. Never, I was going to do it, but lunch.
Oh yeah, can't do it.
lunch.
Can't
Can't
do
do
it.
the lunch.
Not only plane ticket, that's 4-star amenities for the entire trip too. So
Not bad. Anyway,
nothing below 4-star.
If you guys are interested in coming and hanging out, that's going to be an amazing time. We're going to have a lot of fun. So anyway, we'll have devotionals and things throughout the Holy Land. I will be just walking around weeping and be like...
awareness
Situational awareness?
in a foreign land.
We're going to have to go there. So anyway, it's going to be really, really fun.
The Mossad, we're probably going to be able to take a tour of the Israeli Mossad bases and some other special stuff. We're going to figure that out right now. We'll let you know more.
May or may not be able to shoot a tank.
Oh, I would love to shoot a tank.
A tank might be happening.
A tank would be absolutely amazing. Yeah, anyway, guys, check it out. I'll have a link below this video in the description that'll take you right to the thing. So if you want to read up on it. Anyway, ever since Evan is my business partner, ever since we really started Warrior Poet Society, from the very get-go, we're like, dude, we should take trips.
Yes.
Trips would be epic. So we're going to have a really good time and hang out with all of you guys. So anyway, guys, go onward. So, not all of you are going to be able to frolic through Israel and in Jordan with us. I'm trying not to take personal offense. Like, what did I do to you? Why wouldn't you want to come play? But you still need to go on vacation some. And so, it's the next morning. I'm still rubbing the sleep out of my eyes even. So, Miss Poet's about to come down with the Ninos. And we're going to go to SeaWorld. So, going to be pretty fun.
We're going down to SeaWorld, Orlando, in Florida for a couple days. Heyo!
So our ideas of vacations have changed over time. We've been married over 12 years now. And before, we'd work really hard, and then we would go take, 1 or 2 vacations. And that was really cool, except a lot of times there was just such a big drive to make your vacation count and live it up. You'd like work all year so that you can have time to vacation a few weeks a year. And a lot of times we would come back from vacation more exhausted than when we went in the first place, and that's a no-go. So instead we do a little micro vacation. So what does that look like for us?
This little vacation, we're using hotel points, and SeaWorld, props to SeaWorld, is doing free tickets for veterans. So, and then half off regular tickets. So if you love SeaWorld, now's the time to check it out.
So we're only doing
So-
this because Miss Poet found basically a drug deal. So we're doing SeaWorld pretty
Yeah.
much for free, and that's the kind we want. But we like little
Nothing
quick
to do with
vacations
drugs.
that we
Yeah.
can sporadically fit into life. I think that's really, really fun. So
Now we're rambling. All right, let's sign off before we get crazy.
sign off. We're taking them with us. Let's go to vacation. Here we go.
Yeah. All right. So today we're going to try to see all 3 shows because we are on a task schedule.
That's my favorite.
Dolphin show, sea lion show, orca show. I will cry at all 3.
What do you think of the penguins?
I love them. I love them. It's 32 degrees in here though.
Beware the Sesame Street roller coaster. Oh, I missed it.
Too bad they closed the sea carousel.
It is too bad.
It's only original thing.
Darn. Not every vacation's perfect. Sometimes at SeaWorld, even at SeaWorld, it rains. No vacation's perfect. We got caught out in the rain. Never fear, it's nothing that a little bit of cheesecake and coffee can't fix, right, Miss Poet?
Right.
You
And
check it out
check
the
of all
map.
the things we've done.
What have we done?
So we got this polar bear,
It's critical.
and we've seen a lot of animals.
Thank you, Chip.
And we got animals.
Right. Minion 1, what was your favorite part? Favorite part? Was
Liz?
getting that stuffed animal? Miss Poet, favorite part?
Dolphin show.
Dolphin show was amazing. Favorite part, Minion 2? Offspring, come back. Offspring, what was your favorite part?
We have to insert reviews.
Say it.
Take them off now.
The dolphin show.
Dolphin show. Mine was definitely the squirrel eating the stupid peanut out of my hand. That was awesome. That's bold, squirrel. That's bold.
The last 5 minutes.
The last and probably sitting in the rain or under that shelter.
Coffee break.
Coffee and cheesecake. But the roller coasters for Atlantis was amazing. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's SeaWorld. Now we're gonna do some water slides.
Let's go.
Party on.